Dagdag ko lang, sorry. Dadagdag ko lang kasi this is a welcome development, no? Tayo po ay nasisiyahan dahil at last, no, may schedule na, madidinig na itong RBH 6. But let me just refresh the memory of everyone that for the last several days, yung ating speaker po ay nagpahayag at sinuportahan po ito ng ating mga kasamaan sa Kongreso na kami po ay willing to embrace the version that the Senate will pass. Dahil po sa Senate po manggagaling yung version ng economic amendment sa ating Constitution, therefore, they will be assured that we will not take up any political provision for that matter. So, again, let me reiterate that the Speaker, as the head of the 311 members of this House, has manifested his desire to embrace the version that the Senate will pass in this RBH.